This is the Dallas Morning News. It's Monday, February 20th. Another day in the freezer for the Dallas-Fort Worth area, though there will be plenty of sunshine. The high will be 34. Clouds will roll into the area this evening with an overnight low of 25. Friday will be a near repeat before a warm-up over the weekend. Here are today's headlines. Texas Agriculture Commissioner Sid Miller urged state officials to ban the decades-long practice of adding fluoride to public water, echoing similar calls from the Trump administration. On Wednesday, Miller told the Dallas Morning News he was swayed by newly confirmed U.S. Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr., who has pledged to make America healthy again. Calling fluoridation a delivery system for government-mandated chemicals, Miller said the issue boils down to personal freedom. It was not immediately clear how likely Texas legislators are to pass a ban, and no such legislation had been filed by Wednesday afternoon. A spokesperson for Governor Greg Abbott said in a written statement the governor looks forward to working with the legislature to ensure Texans have a safe, reliable water supply for the next 50 years. He did not say whether Abbott would support a ban on fluoridation. In other news, a Collin County eye surgeon is making a run to become McKinney's next mayor, joining three others vying to replace termed-out Mayor George Fuller. Dr. Matt Rostami, who lost previous bids for the state Senate and Texas Board of Education, said he would aim to keep property taxes low and prioritize public safety. The 38-year-old Rostami has lived in the county for around 5 years, including the most recent 18 months in McKinney. He wants to preserve the city's open spaces and prevent the congestion in rapidly urbanizing cities in the region. Rostami is running against realtor Bill Cox, chair of McKinney's Planning and Zoning Commission and a former city council member. Also in the race are pastor and former Republican State Representative Scott Sanford and state attorney Taylor Willingham. Next up, the Dallas Police Department said Wednesday a recommendation to hire 325 cops by the end of this fiscal year was unrealistic. They are instead advocating for the benchmark to be set at 300. Interim Police Chief Michael Igo and his leadership staff said the department may hire 280 to 300 cops this year, but pushing the goal beyond that will force the department to divert 40 patrol officers toward training the new recruits. A significant portion of the training staff at the academy already came from the patrolling division. This comes days after the council's Public Safety Committee recommended hiring 325 officers this year and incrementally adding 350 new cops in 2026 and another 400 by September 2027. And Dallas sanitation officials say residents should expect delayed sanitation pickups through Friday due to frigid temperatures and icy road conditions. The city's sanitation department says routes involving workers who manually collect trash and recycling have been temporarily suspended as of Wednesday until conditions improve. Automated trucks may still run in some areas depending on road conditions. Crews are planning to work through Saturday for delayed trash and recycling pickups. Any garbage not picked up this week will be picked up the following week. Thanks for listening. For more on today's stories and the latest breaking news, visit dallasnews.com. Enjoy your day, and I'll be back tomorrow with more from the Dallas Morning News.